Hello everyone, I am Dr. Namit Kumar Kaur, Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, Tirthankar Mahavir College of Agriculture Sciences. Today I will discuss about meaning and types of producer surplus. So, what is producer surplus? The producer surplus is the quantity of produce which is or can be made available by the farmers to the non-farm population. The producer surplus is two types. First one is marketable surplus. The marketable surplus is that quantity of produce which can be made available to the non-farm population of the country. It is a theoretical concept of surplus. The marketable surplus is a residual left with the producer farmer after meeting his requirement of their family consumption, farm needs for seed and feed for cattle, payment to labor in kind or payment to artisans, carpenters, blacksmith, porter mechanic, payment to landlord as a rent, and social religious payment in kind. Marketable surplus can be expressed MS equal to P minus C, where MS is marketable surplus, P means total production, and C equal to total requirement like family consumption, farm needs, payment to labor, artisans, landlords, and payments for social and religious work. Then second type of producer surplus is marketed surplus. Marketed surplus is the quantity of produce which the producer actually sell in the market irrespective of his requirement for family consumption, farm needs and other payments. The marketed surplus may be more, less or equal to the marketable surplus. The relationship between marketed surplus and marketable surplus. The marketed surplus may be more, less or equal to the marketable surplus depending upon the condition of the farmer and type of the crop. The relationship between the two terms may be stated as follows. Marketed surplus is more than marketable surplus, less than marketable surplus or equal to marketable surplus. The marketed surplus is more than the marketable surplus when the farmer retains a smaller quantity of the crop as well as produce than his actual requirements for family and farm needs. This is true especially for small and marginal farmers whose need for cash is more pressing and immediate. This situation of selling more than the marketable surplus is termed as distress or forced sale. Such farmers generally buy the produce from the market in a later period to meet their family or farm requirement. The quantity of distress sale increases with the fall in the price of the products. A lower price means that a larger quantity will be sold to meet some fixed cash requirement. The marketed surplus is less than the marketable surplus when the farmer retains some of the surplus produce. The situation holds true under the following condition. The first condition is large farmers generally sell less than the marketable surplus because of their better retention capacity. They retain extra produce in the hope that they would get a higher price in the later period. Sometimes farmers retain the produce even up to the next production season. The second condition is farmer may substitute one crop for another crop either for family consumption purpose or for feeding their livestock because of the variation in prices. With the fall in the price of the crop relative to the competitive crop, the farmer may consume more of the first and less of the second crop. The third situation, where marketable surplus equal to marketed surplus. The marketed surplus may be equal to the marketable surplus when the farmer neither retain more nor less than his requirement. This holds true for the perishable commodities and of the average farmer. The factor affecting marketable surplus. The marketable surplus differs from region to region and within the same region from crop to crop. It also varies from farm to farm. On a particular farm, the quantity of marketable surplus depends on the following factors. The first factor is size of holding. There is a positive relationship between the size of the holding and the marketable surplus. Higher the holding, higher the marketable surplus. Then production. The higher of production of a farm, the larger will be the marketable surplus and vice versa. The next factor is price of the commodity. The price of the commodity and the marketable surplus have a positive as well as a negative relationship, depending upon whether one considers the short and long run or the micro and macro levels. Then size of family. The higher the number of members in a family, the smaller the surplus on the farm. Then requirement of seed and feed. The higher the requirement of these uses, the smaller the marketable surplus of the farm. Nature of commodity. The marketable surplus of non-food crops is generally higher than that of food crop. For example, in the case of cotton, jute, and rubber, the quantity retained for family consumption is either negligible or very small part of the total output. For these crops, a very large proportion of total output is marketable surplus. Even among food crops, for such commodities like sugarcane, spices, and oilseeds, which requires some processing before final consumption, the marketable surplus as a proportion of total output is larger than that of other food crops. Then consumption habits. The quantity of output retained by the farm family depends on the consumption habits. For example, in Punjab, rice forms a relatively small proportion of total cereals consumed by farm families compared with those in southern or eastern states. Therefore, out of a given output of paddy as well as rice, Punjab farmers sell a greater proportion of paddy rice. Punjab farmers sell a greater proportion than that sold by rice eating farmers of other states. The functional relationship between the marketed surplus of a crop and factors affecting the marketed surplus may be expressed as marketed surplus is the function of x1, x2, x3, x4. These are independent factors which affect the marketed surplus, where M equal to total marketed surplus of a crop in quintals. X1 means size of holding in hectares. X2 equal to size of family in adults units. X3 total production of the crop in quintals, and X4 means price of the crop. This is the reference book Agricultural Marketing in India. Author is S. Acharya and N. L. Agarwal. Thank you.